Hello and welcome. Today, we are diving deep into one of the absolute biggest trends in beauty right now, the lash lift. It's that secret weapon for waking up and looking amazing without any effort. So let's get right into how it all works.
Just imagine that for a second. No more digging for that eyelash curler every single morning. That is the incredible promise of a lash lift. It's all about enhancing your own natural lashes for that super low maintenance beauty. But you might be wondering, how is this different from, say, lash extensions?
Okay, so this right here is the most important distinction. A lash lift doesn't add anything fake, not a single thing. It's a treatment that works with what you've already got, curling your own lashes right from the root. This gives you this beautiful illusion of more length and volume. And you know what the best part is? It's 100% you.
So how does this magic actually happen? Well, it's not really magic at all. It's actually some pretty cool and fascinating chemistry. Let's break down the science behind that perfect, long-lasting curl. So inside every single one of your eyelashes, you have these things called disulfide bonds. Now, you can think of them like the internal scaffolding that gives each lash its own unique shape, whether it's straight or has a little bit of a curl. The entire lash lift process, from start to finish, is all about being able to safely and temporarily reshape that internal structure.
This whole process is actually a lot like getting a perm for your hair. It really breaks down into 3 simple steps. First, a softening solution goes on, and its job is to break those internal bonds we just talked about, which makes the lash super flexible. Second, your lashes are carefully shaped over a curved silicone shield. And finally, a setting solution goes on to rebuild those bonds, basically locking that beautiful new curl right into place. All right, the science is really cool, but what does this actually feel like when you're the one in the chair? Let's walk through what the appointment itself is like so you know exactly what to expect from beginning to end. No surprises here. Okay, so the whole thing can really be broken down into 4 clear stages. It all starts with prepping and protecting the eye area, of course. Then your technician will pick the perfect size shield just for you and gently secure your lashes onto it. Next up are those carefully timed solutions we talked about. And finally, it all wraps up with a nourishing treatment before the big reveal of your perfectly lifted lashes. And this really gets to the heart of what the final look is all about. It's not about creating some crazy, dramatic, artificial effect. The whole point is to enhance your own lashes with a perfect lift and curl that just makes your eyes look wider and more awake. It's a really subtle change, but boy, is it impactful. Now for the part I know you've been waiting for, the results. Let's talk about how long this gorgeous lift actually lasts, and just as important, the super simple aftercare you'll need to follow to make it last as long as possible. And here it is, the big payoff. A professionally done lash lift can last a full 6 to 8 weeks. That's nearly 2 whole months of waking up with perfectly curled lashes. The best part is that the treatment's lifespan follows your natural lash cycle, so it just fades away gently as your lashes naturally shed and regrow. Okay, listen up, because the secret to making your lash lift last isn't just the treatment, it's the 24 hours that come right after. This is the golden rule, the most critical piece of advice. It means no water, no steam from a hot shower, definitely no crying during a sad movie, and no eye makeup. That first day is when the curl really sets in stone, so keeping your lashes dry is how you protect your investment. Now, after that first critical day, the care is so simple. You'll want to stick to oil-free products anywhere near your eyes, because oil can actually break down that lifting solution and make your curl drop way sooner. A quick daily brush with a clean spoolie keeps them looking perfect, and a little conditioning serum can help keep them healthy and strong. Easy, right? Okay, so we've covered the what and the how, but now we have to ask the most important question of all. Is a lash lift suitable for you? Your safety should always come first. So let's talk about who is a really good candidate for this. Think of this as your personal safety checklist. If you have any kind of active eye infection, chronic issues like dry eye, any known allergies, or if you've had eye surgery recently, you should definitely hold off. It's also probably not the best idea for those with very weak or damaged lashes. Health always comes before beauty, no exceptions. And this is absolutely essential advice. A good, reputable technician will always insist on a thorough consultation and a little patch test at least 24 hours before your appointment. This is just to rule out any potential allergic reactions. If anyone ever tries to skip this step, that is a major red flag. So there you have it. A lash lift is a fantastic, low-maintenance way to enhance your natural beauty, using a little bit of cool chemistry to create a perfect, lasting curl. Now that you know exactly how it works and what to expect, really the only question left is, are you ready for your close-up?